Have you ever uploaded a YouTube video and thought, where are the views? Don't worry, it's not just you. The truth is, even the best videos fail if they're not optimized. Today, I'm going to share 6 simple ways to make your videos more discoverable and get more views without paying for ads. Number 1, your title and thumbnail. Think of them like your shop sign. If they're boring, nobody comes in. Instead of calling your video My YouTube Tips, say something like, How to get 10,000 views fast on YouTube. Clear, bold, and clickable. And for thumbnails, keep them simple, bright, and emotional. Remember, most people are scrolling on their phones. You only have a second to grab their attention. Number 2, keywords. Don't overcomplicate it. Just type your topic into the YouTube search bar and look at the suggestions. That's what people are already searching for. Use those words in your title, your description, and your tags. For example, if you type, How to save money in Kenya, YouTube will suggest phrases like, as a student, or fast. Those are the exact words you want to use. Number 3, hook your viewers early. People decide in the first 30 seconds whether they'll stay or leave. So skip the long introductions. Go straight to the point. Promise value, ask a question, or tease what's coming. For example, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to double your YouTube views. Simple and powerful. Number 4, your description and chapters. YouTube actually reads your description like Google does. Write it like a mini blog post. What the video is about, who it helps, and links if you need them. Adding chapters makes your video easy to navigate, and YouTube rewards that. Number 5, watch time and engagement. YouTube pushes videos that keep people watching, so make your content engaging with quick cuts, text, or even small jokes. And when asking for likes or subscriptions, don't beg. Instead, say something like, if this tip is helping, imagine what the next one will do. So subscribe and don't miss it. Smooth and natural. And finally, number 6, share smartly. Don't just upload and disappear. Share short clips or teasers on WhatsApp, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Even a 15-second clip can bring viewers to your channel. And here's a pro tip. Leave thoughtful comments on related videos. If people find your comment helpful, they'll naturally check out your channel. So those are the 6 steps. Better titles and thumbnails, smart keywords, strong hooks, solid descriptions, engaging content, and smart promotion. Apply these to your next video, and you'll start seeing growth.